Here we got another TV package. I'm unboxing now. I couldn't shake the label off this, so I gotta be careful. Use a screw to open it up. It's coming off easily. Got a radio. It's X-Base. I don't think it's a basic speaker or a radio. Pocket radio. First, I want to show you the pocket radio. It's an AM, FM/AM pocket radio. It's the model QL-955. It has AM, FM radio, manual tuning, lots of radio stations, and speakers. The back label. So open it. Oh my god. There we go. It's not bad. Probably need batteries. Don't have batteries on hand. It's gonna be in another video, or I might pause. Get the wrapper off. It's just a basic radio. What the fuck? Where's the speaker at? I don't see any holes for it. Look at that. Where's the speaker? Oh, the holes are tiny. I finally see the opening a little bit. Yeah, it eats batteries. Not a worst video. Probably gets the job done. Here's the Friendty RX-125BTA speaker. It's a Blue Connect. It's Bluetooth. It has a TF player or a micro SD player, USB player, rechargeable battery. This has a rechargeable battery. More sure I can test that. There's the AM, FM, and shortwave 3-band radio with USB/micro SD tuner. Here's a look at the radio. Here's the power, volume, on off switch, 2 tuning knob. That's the tuning knob. Straight earphone jack, 4 micro SD slot, 5 USB slot, 6 mode button, 7 USB previous button, 8 USB play pause button, 9 USB next button, 10 torch light on/off, 11 function switch, 12 charging slot. Here's what the back looks like. I think I got this in red. See the Chinese person's address. Then China. Yeah, but checked as red. You got different models. There's look ones without X-Base. I wonder what that sounds like. out smaller than I thought it would be. Here's the radio itself. Here's the manual. I don't think anyone's gonna read this. This shows like almost the exact same information as the SBC port. And here's the space radio itself. Wow. Well, it has a 3-inch speaker inside, I think. Here's the rechargeable battery. There's the on-off switch. I wonder if this works now. It's not making any noises. So this might be charged. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Oh, this needs to be a plastic thing. There's the flashlight. That's bright. Need to turn it off. There's the switcheroo. Nope. No, there's the mode switch.
Doing the number one.
The reception is really best right now. I gotta pull up the antenna.
A lot of credit for trying
There we
to
go.
clean it up. I don't think Europe is blameless in this either. They have funded Putin's war machine by buying his energy. None of them have ever tried to really engage with him. They have isolated him. They are. There.
Does not sound the worst. Definitely think this can be handy. There's not much bass though. It's not. I think this is bullshit advertising X bass. There's not much X bass on the. It's on a little speaker. So I'm gonna try to put batteries in this. Okay, I got batteries in this radio. I stole it from my Razor. I only need AA batteries. And by the way, the speaker is bigger than expected. I can feel the magnet in there. It's hard to see though. See that metal magnet? The ferrite. Gotta be careful. I'll turn this on. Does it work? Oh, the volume rocker switch. There we go. I'll make sure it's on FM. Where's the 2D knob? Where's the fucking 2D knob? What the hell? Oh, there it is. It's all plastic thing. Fuck. Hold on. Does this come off? No, it does not. Gotta be careful with that. There's the radio. Not very loud.
And probably a fairly dramatic increase in land that is taken over by Putin. No, you can't find that. They were trying to keep me down.
The whole world's listening on iHeartRadio. You could be there.
There's a not a bad device. Gotta put that away. Overall, I'm keeping this as well. Not a bad device. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.